Hey guys, it's your girl Majestie and welcome back to my channel. And before we start the video, I just want to say a quick thank you to everyone who has subscribed to my channel, support my channel, watch my videos, like, comment, interact with me. It means so much. Over the weekend I hit 1k subscribers, guys. Thank you so much for the support. I've been so speechless. It's taken me a while for it to sink in, damn, I really hit 1k. Guys, I just want to say thank you so much. This is just a milestone I've been able to hit with your guys' help, so thank you so much. I just want to say any videos that you guys want to see. I know there's been a request for Peppa Pig. I am working on it, just bear with me. Any videos that you guys want to see, feel free to comment in the comment section. I will definitely try my best to make them. But guys, I hit 1k, man. Thank you so much. This means so much to me, and I thank you guys for the support and the constant support and just coming on my channel all the time. You don't have to, but you do, and that's what means so much to me. So thank you so much, and without further ado, let's get you into this new video. Traffic langy, man. We're just happy we come out at the tunnel there. But it's that rain now.
Yeah,
sure.
We have. But anyway, you know, me and Gerald, yeah, we're still together. I actually went to go meet him last night. Oh my gosh, he did the sweetest thing for me. We went out, went to a restaurant. He was telling me how much he loved me and whatnot. It was so cute. But you know, I was like, you know what, honestly, Gerald, what is really going on? And then he was telling me that, you know what, he's gonna get a divorce and whatnot, and then we're just gonna be together, and we're just gonna go and travel, and we're gonna get a house.
Stop it, nice. Stop it, blasted nice. Sure, me tired now. Me tired to hear about Gerald. You've been chatting about Gerald since last year. Sure, him not change nothing, him not gonna change nothing now, right? Me no want to hear nothing. You chat too much, you know. Sure, you just yaka in my blasted ears. Sure, if you go work for your radio station, if you want to chat so much, man. Me no want to hear no more chatting about Gerald this and Gerald that. You know something? The people them with the most stinking mouth always a chat, and then enough to go brush them teeth. You brush your teeth from mine and you chat to me. You fog up my windscreen. Me no want to hear nothing no more. Sure, every minute about Gerald. You don't think me want chat? You're confessing me. You don't think me want chat? You don't think me want use my voice box too? Every minute, Gerald this, Gerald that. Gerald no want you. If him did want you, him wouldn't still be with his wife. Sure, man, me want use my voice box too. Me want to talk. Me want to have a proper conversation. Every minute, yaga. Me don't want hear them to sitting there no more, man. Sure, stop pan, Gerald. Talk about something else. What your favorite color? Me rather hear that. What you eat last night? Me rather hear that. Sure, when you go brush your teeth, me definitely want to know that.